Honestly speaking, I am tired.
I said I won't.
I'm taking to you. You're saying nothing. Hey, what have I just done? Baby. Okay. My love. I'm sorry, it was just... Please don't do this thing to me, please. I said, please do not do this thing to me. Just come up. Wake up, baby. Please wake up. Hey, who is there? King! My brother King! Someone should help me. Please come. Where are you? Please come.
What happened?
Please come.
What happened? Okay.
I don't know what's wrong with her.
Okay.
We are having some kind of argument inside the car. So she couldn't close her mouth for once. I mistakenly dragged her back and she just fell down. I started acting up. I don't know what's going on with her.
Wait. You were having an argument?
Yes.
And you dragged her and she fell down?
Yes.
Best man, what are you saying exactly?
I just told you now.
Best man, what did you do?
I just told you what happened. Nothing
You are not telling me the truth. How can you drag her and she fell down? What did you do?
I slapped her.
You slapped her?
Yes.
You slapped my sister again, best man. Best man, how many times? How many times, best man? The last time this happened, you promised it will never happen again.
What kind of thing is this?
Oh no.
Okay,
sister.
please.
Sweetheart. Sister. Okay. Best man, please. You have finally gotten your wish. This is what you have always wanted. You want to take my sister's life. Every single time, a little argument between the two of you, you raise your hand on her. Please. What is your problem?
Sorry. Let's look for a solution, please.
You are sorry. Look at what you have done to my sister. Look at what you have done to my sister. You have...
Mommy, please.
Oh no.
Mommy, please. It will never happen again.
Best man,
I promise
you will go in for this.
Hey, please.
You will go in for
Don't
this.
let anybody know.
I am going to call the family and let them know what you have done. You have taken my sister's life.
My love, please.
Oh no.
My love, please.
No. I'm calling the police. You will spend the rest of your life in jail. I will make sure that you do not go scot-free for what you have just done. You have finally taken my sister's life after how many years? In her condition, best man. Don't you have any shame? Don't you have any self-control? What is your problem? How can you be hitting a woman that is pregnant? What is your problem?
No.
Anyway, there's no need for me to talk too much. Let me get water. Hey.
Mama, please now, wake up now. Daddy loves you. Your husband loves you. Best man loves you. You are the only one that I have. Where do I run to? I don't have any other person except you. I'm sorry in any way that I've sinned against. Please forgive me. This thing will never repeat itself again. I promise I will never lay my hand on you again. Baby, wake up. I promise it will never happen again. This is something like as if it's a nightmare. Baby, please, wake up. Hey.
Okay, please.
Come on, Mama. Hey, she's coming up. She's coming back to life.
Come on, take your hands off my sister. Get away from here.
Baby, my love, please.
Take water. Leave her alone.
She's my wife.
Take your hands off her. Best man, take your hands off my sister. I said, take your hands off my sister.
Of us.
Best man, take your hands off my sister.
Okay.
Step away.
Okay. Sorry. Go. If you do this thing for me, I will serve you forever. I will serve you forever and ever.
Are you okay?
I will never do this again. I will serve you forever and ever. I will love my wife. I will cherish my wife.
Come on, help me raise her up. Mama, you are promising heaven and earth now. This is how you always promise. You always promise it will never happen again. It will never happen again. Bring her to sit down.
Sorry. Should I carry on my head?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Hey, my beautiful woman, the most.
Stop.
Cherish you.
Why do you have to do this? You want to end my life.
I am sorry.
Do you want to end my life?
I am sorry, please.
That's my head. I hope I'm not having internal bleeding.
Hey, no, you cannot have bleeding, please.
I hope I'm not having internal.
No, you are not having anything. King.
I'm not having bleeding.
No, she's not. No, my brother, she's not having any internal bleeding at all. Please.
You better thank your stars. You better thank your stars that my sister actually woke up. You would have spent the rest of your life in jail. I would have made sure of it. You.
Thank God.
You didn't even consider that I'm pregnant for you. But I'm carrying twins for you.
Hey, don't say this again. Don't say this again.
You want to end my life and the life of my kids?
No.
So
Carrying your baby, your very first child. Hey, best man, your very first child.
But my head is still paining me.
Mama, baby.
I hope I'm
Please,
not bleeding anywhere. Can you just check?
please, let's keep this a secret. I beg. I promise you that this is never
Do you need
happening.
anything? Do you need anything so you can feel better?
Yes, I need something. You can go and get something for me.
Okay, what do you want?
I need chicken, chips, shawarma,
Everything.
yogurts.
Just give me your list, okay?
Okay.
I will buy everything.
You heard what she said.
Yes, chicken, chips, shawarma, burger, ice cream, cold stone,
Yes,
everything.
yes.
It's okay.
Whatever you know she likes, go and get it for her.
Okay.
I mean, hurry up.
Okay, please, Kim, one more thing, please promise me that you're not going to let anybody know about this, okay?
They already know.
I've
Everybody
changed.
already knows that you are a wife beater.
Please, it's not a good one at all. I've changed.
One chilled Irish cream, please.
Okay.
Please hurry up.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay. How many years old? Okay, I'm
Just
coming.
hurry up. What is your problem?
You're so dramatic. Your sister is an actress.
It works. Perfect.
You,
Perfect.
I have a brother.
I'm good.
Master planner.
As in, I told you now.
And what?
You saw how
at me.
you panicked.
I was just carrying myself. If you said you I fell down,
hope you
I
didn't.
was just holding my head.
I hope you didn't hurt yourself
I
already.
did not. I did not. Me.
Okay,
And after. Yes. He's going to buy another one. If he comes back, I will tell him that he's going to buy another one. This one is fine.
See, this is how you do it. You've been suffering for nothing for years. All these years you just keep enduring. Everything is slaps. Everything slaps.
Do you know how many
Everything.
times I've gone to the hospital? Is it because I've not been telling
No,
you?
that cannot continue.
I've been hiding it from you because I know you will not be happy.
It cannot continue, my sister. I cannot be in this house and that kind of thing will continue. We have to use wisdom.
Just take
You
me,
understand?
take me inside. Tell him that I told him that I need some time to sleep.
To sleep.
Okay?
Yes.
I should
So
get another week
keep him,
for me.
We can keep him in that panic
Of
state
course,
for a
now.
while so that the lesson will sink in.
As a matter of fact, I'm not feeling fine. Don't
Yes,
carry me like someone that is not feeling
I
fine.
agree with you. You're not feeling fine. Oh, my sister. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.